Yeah, hello all. So welcome to Quantitative Aptitude for computer exams in English. So this is our third class, okay, for all exam conducting agencies we are dealing with, whether it is your TCS, CET, IBPS, Nielit, anything, right? So height and distance. Today we will discuss the top 5 questions of height and distance. What are the pattern currently is going on in IBPS and TCS exams? Okay, you should obviously have hands on this, okay, because very important for you. So we will discuss that, and along with this we will discuss some tricks, some quick method, okay, all the things we will discuss today. So without wasting time, now let's start our video. So first question, okay, so let's start our first question, that as observed from the top of a lighthouse, okay, one some lighthouse is there, 54-meter high above the sea level. 1 minute, okay. The angle of depression, okay, so angle of depression of a ship sailing directly towards it changes from 45 degree to 60 degree. The distance traveled by the ship during the period of observation. Suppose you are standing on lighthouse, okay, top of the lighthouse you are there, and you are watching in the sea level, okay, at the sea level you are watching there. Two ships are there basically. So only one ship is there, sorry, there is one ship which is traveling from 45 degree to 60 degree, okay. So it changes when you are looking, the ship changes the position by this angle, okay. Now what is the angle of depression? First thing, very important, that whenever you are looking down, okay, in simple language, whenever you are looking down, this is your angle of depression, okay. Remember like this only. And now suppose this is your lighthouse, okay, this is my lighthouse, you are standing here and you are looking downside, okay. And earlier the ship was at the angle 45 degree, because it changes from 45 degree to 60 degree, okay. So it is changes from 45 degree, so earlier it is 45 degree, now the thing is that, and then it changes to 60 degree, okay, means like this. Why I am drawing this line? Because you are watching, okay. So this is your 60 degree. Now the first important thing, the basic thing, that how to uh, mark this as a 45 and this as 60. Why I can't mark it this as a 60, right? The question, because if you see this triangle, then it is your right angle triangle, okay. See, this is your right angle triangle, this is your 90 degree, so this is your 90 degree, so it is very 45, 50, 55, 60, 90, okay, like that. That's why. So this is the question. Now we will see how to solve this question. We have to find the distance traveled by the ship during the period of observation, okay. Means this distance we have to find. This I will mark it as x, okay. Now if I consider here, if you look, there are two triangles, okay. One triangle is this small triangle which is of 60 degree, and one triangle is this big triangle, okay, 45 degree. So I will solve this triangle. This is my perpendicular, this whole is my base, this is my hypotenuse, basic triangle, right angle triangle concept, okay. And I know the identity, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, cot, those are our identity, right? So I know one identity, that where I can use perpendicular and base, and that is your tan, okay. So tan 30, 45, 60, 90, okay. How to remember? See, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, okay. Tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3, and tan 90 is infinity, okay. So this value you have to remember like this only, easy. 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, okay, very easy. And tan 90 infinity, tan 0 0, right? So now we will use these values in our question. See, first I will solve for big triangle, okay. So for big triangle, my tan 45, okay, tan 45 is nothing but your, now here they given me 54-meter height of lighthouse, so p is equals to 54, okay. So perpendicular upon base, so 54 upon base. So what is the value of tan 45? Just we discuss 1. So 1 is equals to 54 upon base, so base is equals to 54, okay. So I got the value of base, that is 54. So this whole value, this whole triangle, because I consider big wala, okay, this one. So this is value is 54. Now here if you see tan 60 degree, again I will use, because I want this value, right? Because total I want this x, this thing I require. So that's why I will use tan 60. Okay, I will use tan 60 is equals to 54 upon base. 54 upon base, what is the value of tan 60? Root 3. So this is root 3. 54 base, what is the value of base? 54 by root 3, right? Now we got the values, we get the required values, that is this is your 54 root 3, by root 3. This whole is 54 and this is x. Okay, so I can write like this. See, total 54 is equals to 54 upon root 3 plus x, means what is the value of x? There, this thing goes that side, so it will become minus, because here it is plus. So 54 minus 54 upon root 3. Okay, x, and then we can take common, so we will get 1 upon 1 by root 3. Now here the challenging thing is this here. Okay, that how you should proceed, because if you see the options, then it is 38.8, 28.2.8 and 30 and 16.25. Okay, so decimal is there, just one option, that is 32 is there, so decimal is there. So how to handle this decimal, we will see now. See, so first I will solve this. Okay, the value of root 3 you should know, that is 1.73. okay, 1.71, 1.73, whatever, 1.70 approximately is okay. Okay, so root 3 minus 1, that is 1.73 minus 1, 0.73 upon root 3 into 54. Okay, now see, this is root 3 in the denominator, so what I will do, I will just multiply this by root 3 and root 3. Okay, so this root 3 becomes 3, and I know that with the help of 3 we can divide this 54, that is 18 3s are 54, so this will be your 18, right? Then you have now 0.3 and 1.71. Okay, approximately. Now how to solve this multiplication in your exam hall, the very big challenge for all. Okay, because still here everyone will get, okay, everyone will get come here, but now from here how you should proceed, that is very depend on you. Okay, and that is very important thing. As we look from the point of view of exam. See, what I will do, I will just approximate, I will just make this 0.73 at 0.70. Okay, I will just make this 1.71 as 1.70, just approximating, means what I am doing here, I am decreasing, here also I am decreasing. Okay, in the both side, 0 from 0.73 I am coming to 0.70, from 1.71 I am coming to 1.70. Pay attention, okay, very important thing for calculation part, and which is the most required thing nowadays. Okay, that is the latest pattern of your exams, so that's why this thing is very important. So this thing I am doing here, I have to remember while ticking the option or tick the option. Okay, just I have to keep this thing in my mind. Now see, now I know that how to multiply by 17, I have trick. Okay, so I know that I am comfortable in the multiply by 17, and here I have 70. Okay, just forget that decimal value, because this is the 10,000, 202040. Okay, so just I will write like this aside. Okay, now I will solve this. See how to solve. 7 8s are 56. Okay, so 6 I will write, then here you will get 5. Okay, 7 ones are 7, then plus 8. Okay, just remember the trick how to multiply with 17. 7 8s are 56, 6 5 is here. Okay, as a carry. 7 ones are 7. Okay, plus 8, you have to add this next value, plus 8 means you are 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Okay, then 0, then again 2, and here you will write 0. 7 0 0. Okay, plus 1 1, plus 2 3. So your answer is this. Okay, 306, and then 70, and denominator you have 10,000, like this. Okay, so 1 0 gone like this, and now you can easily do. So 7 6 is 42. Okay, so 342 approximately, then 7 3 is 21. Okay, so 21, so 21 42, and this 3 zeros, it should be 20. Okay, so forget about that, because in option we have so 20. So approximately 21.42. Okay, and as we decrease here, so we have to increase here, so just little more than 21.42. Which option is just matching, that is this. Okay, B. So 22.8 is the correct answer. So like this you have to solve now. Okay, this is the exact question which is asked by IBPS. So obviously in banking you require speed, because till here, from here, okay, it is very easy, but this is the important part, that how you should handle this. Okay, and you should know the trick. That I hope that you got the trick, and yes, you will get used to it once our sessions are running. Okay, keep like this, you will get lots of things, because calculation nowadays is very important, crucial part for you, because concept is known to everyone. Okay, everyone knows this, very easy part, because this is the same pattern that they repeating. Pattern is repeating, just they are what doing, they are doing more calculative. Okay, so in that particular exam hall, the main challenge for you is the calculation only. Okay, so I hope you got the answer and you got the perfect way to approach it. So yes, this approach is very fine in your exam. Okay, There is no issue in that. So we will move to the second question now. The angle of depression of two ships. Okay, now here two ships are there from the top of a lighthouse are 45 degree and 30 degree towards east. Okay, east. Yes, this side. If the ships are 200 meter apart, means the distance between the ships are 200 meter, then height of the lighthouse we have to find. Okay. Now suppose this is my lighthouse like this. Okay. Suppose this is one ship. I am looking downwards. Okay, because angle of depression is there, na? Like that's why. Okay, so like this. So suppose this is now at the east they to give me, na? So 30 degree towards east means 30 degree and 45 degree same. Just to make you confused that they use the word east. Okay, see. So this is the specialty of TCS basically. Okay, so we have to find the value of height. So I will mark hypotenuse. Okay, this height. Then this is base and this is your hypotenuse h. Okay, I will mark this perpendicular only because I am comfortable with that. They given that root 3 value you have to consider 1.73. Obviously we know that already. Okay, there is no issue in that. So first similar way we will do what is given 200 meter. So this thing I have now. Okay, this thing that is from this point to this point I have. Okay, now what we will do, we will take this angle, this triangle, this tan 45 angle. Okay, so what is the value of this? Okay, first we will take a big angle. So tan 30, again same concept is there. So tan 30 degree perpendicular upon base. Okay, big triangle we are giving taking. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is your perpendicular upon base. So value of base is nothing but your root 3 into p. Okay, this is a big value. Just remember this is the big value. Okay, this is the big value. Now I have to find this value. So tan 45 means 1. Okay, so 1 into p. It's easy. Okay, again now we will do our trick, that root 3p. Just remember this value root 3p. So total is root 3 into p. Okay, p plus 200. So let's take this p that side. So it will become root 3. Now I am doing directly. So root 3 minus 1, p I am taking common 200. Okay. Then here you have 1.73. 1.73 minus 1, 0.73. So 0.73 p is equals to 200. So 200 divided by 0.73. Okay. So this is your answer. But now how to solve, right? How to solve is a big challenge, and we have to find the value of p. That is your this. Okay, we are getting this with the help of this. But let's see how to find. So what I will do, this is 0.73. So 0.73 means my 73 by 100. Okay. So this 100 goes upward. So it will become 200 and 2 zeros. Okay. So 200 and 2 zeros and 73. Now see, what I will do, I will take first 200. Okay, first I will take 200. I know that 7 to the 18. Okay, 7 to the 14. So it is closer. It is somewhat closer. So I will take 7 to the. Okay, so 7 to the here 14 and 6 146. So from 200 just minus the 146, you will get 54. Okay, then 540 is there. Okay, now see, 7 7 is 49. Okay, 7 8 is 56. Okay, little upward. So 7 is perfect, right? So we will take 7. So now I have got 7 3s are 1 and 7 7s are 49 and 2 51. Okay, so 511, and how much we got? 540. 540 is there, right? So 511 540 means we are 29. 29. Okay, again we have 290. Now see, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, little upward. Okay, so I will take 7 2s are. Okay, 7 2s are. So if I take 7 2s are, then it will be here again 146. Okay, 146. Okay, so we got the answer na. So 146, and then just in the decimal form you will get something. That's why the answer which is closely matched with this is this A. Okay, because if you take 3s also, because we got 290, if you take 3 times, which is your 7 times 290 na. So why didn't I took 4? See, because I know 7 4s are 28. Okay, which is closely matched, but here I have 3. So 4 3s are 12, 7 4s are 28. It becomes 292. Okay, so little higher than, means obviously answer is like this also. Okay, so like this also you can do. There is no issue. So it is up little upward. That's why we can't take 4, and in our option 4 is not there. Approximately we have 3. Okay, so answer is 3. So like this way of approximation you should solve each and every question in your exam hall. Okay, which is our purpose for these sessions on this channel, that how to deal the question in exam hall. Okay, From a point on a bridge across the river, the angle of depression on the bank of opposite side of a river, okay, opposite side of a river is 30 degree, 45 degree. If the bridge is at higher height of 2.5 meter from the banks of the river, then we have to find the width of the river, okay. The scenario is like this. Suppose this is a river, okay, this is a river like this, okay. One bridge is there. Suppose one bridge is like this, okay. Now the angle of depression of the backs on opposite side of the river are one opposite side, okay. So it is 30 degree. Suppose I am taking anything because they didn't give me, okay, at east west they didn't give now, so I take anywhere. So I will take 30 degree here and 45 degree here, okay, like this. Now what they given me, that the height of the bridge, so this height is, I know, 2.5 meter bridge is there, okay, 2.5 meter bridge is there. I have to find the width of the river, means this total I have to find now, okay. This total I have to find. So now how to do? Okay, easy. See, first this triangle, solve this. Tan 45, 1, 2.5, 2.5, okay, there is no issue. Tan 30, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. This is my perpendicular, okay. So 1 by root 3 perpendicular upon base. So what is the value of base? Wait, I will write this. So base value is root 3p, so root 3p. Okay, now what I have to find? What I have to find the total, right? This is given, na, height given. So height like this, okay. So now just solve this, very easy. So root 3 addition, so plus 1 into 2.5, okay. Now how to solve this? See, root 3 means again they given me that take root 3 1.732. So 1.73 plus 1 2.73. So I have now 2.73 into 2.5, okay. Now obviously you can do multiplication here, but what I will do, see, this is 2.5, okay. If I make it 2.5 is what? 5 by 2, okay. Whenever there is 5, just remember this and keep this thing in your mind. Whenever you see the 5, just give it 2, okay, just multiply it by 2. So I will multiply the 5 with the help of 2, and obviously if I am multiplying in numerator, then I have to multiply in denominator also, so like this. So it will become 10 by 4, 10 by 4, okay. Why I do this? Because you have here two decimals, so one decimal will gone. So now we have 273 upon 4 and just one decimal is there, okay, just one decimal is there. So yes, I can now obviously do this. See, 6 for the this is your 24, okay, 24 and the again 32 means 8 the, so 680. See here 680. Now this option C, option G, 6.83 and 6.87, okay, interesting. So 1, okay, 1 and one decimal is here. One decimal I will take, then 33 and this it's 32 means 1 10. So 4 to the 10, so 4 to the, okay. So your answer is closely matched with 6.83, okay. So very good question. Now if you think now that why we are approximating this, because of this root 3, okay, because if you can see the value of root 3 is 1.732, okay, some minor cheese 0.002 is there, but we are not considering, that's why little bit change is there, okay. So we can approximate in this particular height and distance questions like I am doing, okay. So just keep this thing in your mind, because maximum chances 90% you have here root 3 will be there in your exam hall. Root 3 will be there, okay, to make you confused, and obviously with the help of root 3 only you can you can show them your calculation speed, right? So that's why it is very important, okay. So this trick is very good for this, there is no issue in that. So like this you can solve, okay. So now we will move to the fourth question. A man standing on the bank of a river observes that the angle of elevation of the top of a tree just on the opposite bank is 60 degree, okay. Angle of opposition 60 degree, but angle of elevation, now angle of elevation means I am looking top, okay, I am looking top, and depression down is 30 degree, okay. Distance 20 to 3 feet away from the bank, then height of the tree. So basically the question is like, you have the tree here, okay, you have the tree like this. I will make it straight line, because this is our will going to be our right angle triangle, right? So this is my tree, okay. Suppose man is standing here and he is looking at the tree, okay. Now the thing is that the man standing on the bank of river observe that the angle of elevation of the top of a tree on the opposite bank is 60 degree, okay, means opposite bank means here, so it is here, it is 60 degree, okay, like this. Okay, obviously it will not here because this is 90 na, so it will be here. Okay, it will be here. I will make the bank of river. So suppose this is river, our river, so this will be our 60°. Okay, and this will be our 30°, which is the opposite side of a man. Okay, now angle of elevation depression, the concept remains same. The thing is that, see here, basically the little part of geometry is there, because when I will I will tell you. Okay, obviously we will see the geometry also, then you will get to know very much clear. But for now, just remember that the angle of depression means this angle. Okay, means whatever the angle is there, I am doing this, but due to alternate angle concept of geometry, you can also do like this also. Okay, do like this also. That's why I'm making like this. Okay, so in some simple language, if I did so, this is like this. Okay, suppose this is our triangle, this is angle of depression, this is angle of depression. So alternate angle concept is there, so that's why what if this, if it's theta, then this is also theta. Okay, so I am using this. Angle of elevation is this only, but angle of depression only this. Okay, this is the alternate angle concept, which we will learn, or we will see in the geometry part. Okay, so little bit geometry obviously we will use here, but now as we are doing height and distance directly, that's why I didn't applying the geometry in this questions also. You can apply the geometry part. Okay, now again same question we got. Okay, so one more thing is that which is at a distance 20 root 3 away from the bank. So this is suppose my bank. Okay, this is at this 2 root 3. Okay, then the height of the tree means obviously we have to find p again, perpendicular. Okay, then this is the base. Now see, this is 20 root 3. Okay, this is your 30. Just we will find the value of this, so it will be your tan 60 means root 3. Root 3 is perpendicular upon base. Now I don't have the value of perpendicular and base also. Okay, so from here I will get the value. So what I will do, tan 30 means 1 by root 3. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so this will be total. Okay, first this will be total triangle, so 1 by root 3 perpendicular upon base. So your base value is p root 3. Okay, total angle, total. Okay, p root 3. Now I want this value, so it will be your p tan 60 means 1 by root 3. So earlier base is p by root 3. Okay, like this. Now again the same thing is there, that p root 3, which is my total, which is equals to p by root 3 plus 20 root 3. Okay, plus 20 root 3. So from here you can solve the value and you will get the height of p. Okay, so you can solve. So just try this by yourself and I will tell you the answer. So the answer for this question is 60 feet. Okay, 60 feet is your answer. Sorry, 60 by 2 no? Okay, 30. Okay, C is your answer, or 3. So try to get this answer with the help of calculation now. Okay, the easy part is there, so no need to waste time there. Compulsory you solve this. Okay, because it will improve your calculation. The distance between two pillars is 120 meter. Okay, two pillars are there. Suppose this is one pillar, this is one pillar, and this distance is my 120 meter. The height of one pillar is thrice the other. Now here's the trick. Okay, the height of one pillar is thrice the other, means I will just make this pillar. Okay, so this is the height of the pillar, which is thrice. Okay, so if this pillar has x height, then it will be a 3x. Okay, thrice. The angle of elevation of their tops from the midpoint of the line connecting their feet are complementary to each other. Okay, now just observe this statement, very good statement to confuse you. And we have to find the height of the taller mirror. Okay, taller pillar basically. So how to do, now we will see. Again we will read the angle of elevation of their tops from the midpoint of the line connecting their feet. Okay, means these are my two pillar, one mid line is connecting to them, means our diagram will be, if I again redraw it, so it will be like this is my one pillar, this is my smaller pillar, and one line is connecting them. Okay, and suppose I am standing here, I am looking upward, angle of elevation, so one angle will be there, and here also is one angle. So like this our diagram is like this. Okay, this is your total distance 200 meter, 120 meter. Okay, now see, this is your midpoint. Okay, what is the value of midpoint? So it is midpoint, and what concept of midpoint is that it will divide the total distance in two equal values. Okay, so it will be your 60, because total is 120, midpoint is there, so it will divide half. So 60. Okay, 60 plus 60, 120. Okay, clear. Now what they given me, that are complementary to each other. Angles are complementary to each other. Means what? The complementary angle concept is that if this angle is theta, then this angle will be a 90 minus theta. This is the concept of complementary angle. Okay, just remember this. That's why just here also they are using some geometry fact. Okay, that's why you can see the application of geometry in the height and distance very well. Now we have to find the height of taller. So this is suppose x, this is my 3x, because they given me that the height of one pillar is thrice. Okay, now how to solve? Now if you look here, okay, this triangle if you look, then it will be your tan 90 minus theta. I have the perpendicular, I have the base 60. Okay, all the things I have, but in the perpendicular also I don't know exact value. Okay, it is a 3 times, it is not, I don't know what is the value because I don't know this x. Okay, so what I will do, I will just write first tan 90 minus theta. Okay, tan 90 minus theta is equals to 3x perpendicular upon base 60. Now I know that tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. Okay, this thing I know, the relation of identities I know. So cot theta is equals to 3x upon 60. Here also if you look, then I have tan theta which is equals to x by 60. Okay, which is equals to x by 60. Now I know one important identity rule, that tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1, right? I know this. Means just what I have to do, I have to multiply this cot theta into tan theta, so it will become equal to 1. Okay, so I am multiplying now, so obviously this side also get multiplied. If you are multiplying this side, then this side also get multiplied. So here let me make room for this. So cot theta is 3x upon 60. Okay, just remember 3x upon 60. So it will be your 1 is equals to 3x upon 60 into x by 60. Okay, so it will be your x, value of x will be get, see, so it will be at 20 times. Okay, this is at 12, so 1200 is equals to x square, xx square. Okay, so it will be your root 1200 is equals to x. What we have to find? The height of taller, means we have to find the height of x. So what is the value of x? Now see, here you have 100. Okay, so just take 10 common, so 10 out of the root. Here you have 4 into 3, means 4 take out, so it will become 2 and root 3. Again you got the root 3. Okay, so root 3 will be there always in the height and distance concept, so it will be 20 root 3. Okay, 20 root 3. Now the value of x is 20 root 3. Okay, and your taller pillar is 3x, means 3 into 2 60 root 3. Okay, now what is the value of 60 root 3, which is your answer, which is your answer. Okay, so you know the value of root 3, 1.73. Now if you can see here, double zero is there. Okay, so 10 will be gone and 10 will be in point. Okay, now so obviously simply it is very simple that 6 3 is 18. Okay, I got the 8 here, so let's see. So 6 7s are 43. Okay, so just approximating, and this is your 6 1 the 6 and 10. Okay, so 1038, see, this is the answer. Okay, so this is your answer. Easy, right? So I hope that you learn good things, that how to approach the height and distance. Okay, for any exam, before any exam, just revise these 5 questions. Okay, 3 to 4 times and your job is done, because all the things are there. The comfortable zone with your root 3 calculation part concept. Okay, all the concept we see, that the two pillar concept, then your opposite angle concept, complementary angle concept, elevation, derivation, all the things, repression, all the things we learn here. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed the session. Have any points? Okay, if you think I miss anything, and just solve the 4th question that I left to you. Okay, so keep learning, keep revising. I hope that you are reading current affairs also from our daily website. Okay, for now just it is difficult for me to make the routine, that to make the regularity in this lecture, basically on this channel, because you know that on our other channel I have to also handle the other things. So that's why, yes, it will, I will become familiar. Okay, and soon daily we will have the lecture. Okay, so currently struggling, but yes, I will definitely overcome on it. Okay, so if you have any query, any doubt, just you can connect me on app also now. Okay, and you can connect me on Instagram also, and our Telegram group is also there. So with this I will end this session. Have any query, comment down below. All the best.